How to Use DeepSeek AI Effectively, a detailed guide. DeepSeek AI is one of the advanced artificial intelligence AI tools that can help with research, data analysis, and even content creation efficiently. If you want to understand how to use it fully, follow this step-by-step guide. Step 1. Visit the official DeepSeek AI website. To begin, you need to access DeepSeek AI through its official website. Here's how to do it. 1. Open your browser, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other you use. 2. In the search bar, type DeepSeek AI and press Enter, or go directly to the official website. 3. Once the DeepSeek AI page opens, you will see an option to either register or log into your account. Step 2. Register or log into your account. To use DeepSeek AI, you need an account. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to register. Enter your email and password and press Create Account. Some services may require email verification. Check your inbox and click the verification link. If you already have an account, click Login and enter your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it by clicking Forgot Password. Step 3. Understand the DeepSeek AI dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main DeepSeek AI dashboard, which has several important features. Let's break them down in detail. 1. DeepSeek AI chatbot. This is where you can type your questions or requests, and DeepSeek AI will respond instantly. Example, you can ask, "Give me a summary of AI technology in healthcare," and you'll get a complete response. AI writing assistant. If you need help writing articles, reports, formal letters, or even essays, DeepSeek AI can generate these for you. You can choose the type of content you want to be written, such as blog posts, academic writing, product descriptions. Through language translation, AI translator, you can quickly and accurately translate text from one language to another. DeepSeek AI supports many languages, including English, French, Spanish, Chinese, and Swahili. 4. Data analysis. AI data analysis. If you're working with large data sets, DeepSeek AI can help analyze and generate reports. You can upload Excel or CSV files, and the AI will assist you in understanding the trends in your data. 5. AI research assistant. If you're a student or researcher, you can use DeepSeek AI to find relevant information for your research. The AI can provide citations and summaries of existing studies. Step 4. How to use each feature with examples. Using the chatbot for quick questions. Open the Chat with AI section. Type your question, for example, "Tell me about blockchain technology." DeepSeek AI will provide a quick and accurate response. Creating articles or reports. Select the AI Writing Assistant feature. Enter the title of the content you want, for example, "The Evolution of AI Technology in 2024. Press Generate and the AI will create a complete article for you. Translating languages. Open the AI Translator section. Enter the text you want to translate, for example, "Artificial intelligence is changing the world." Choose the language you want to translate to, such as English to Swahili. Translate! And get an accurate translation. Performing data analysis. Go to the data analysis section. Upload your Excel or CSV file containing data. The AI will analyze and generate a report on the trends in your data. Performing academic research. Open the AI research section. Type in your topic, for example, The impact of artificial intelligence on employment. The AI will provide a summary of existing studies along with the sources of information. Step 5. Download or copy the results. Once you've gotten the responses you need, you can do the following. If it's written content, click Copy and paste it into Notepad, Word, or Google Docs. If it's a translation or data analysis, click Download to save the file as a PDF, docx, or Excel file. If it's academic research, you can transfer the data to EndNote or Zotero for academic referencing. Step 6. Use DeepSeek AI like a pro. To use DeepSeek AI more effectively, explore all features to see which works best for you. Understand the limitations of AI. Sometimes it might give answers that need refinement. Use it for the right tasks. DeepSeek AI can help, but it doesn't replace human creativity. DeepSeek AI is a powerful tool that can assist with many tasks, including research, translation, data analysis, and content creation. By following this guide, you will be able to use it effectively and boost your productivity. Have questions? Leave them in the comments. Like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe for more tech tutorials.